Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to manage Netflix parental controls. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so to be able to manage Netflix parental controls on your mobile device, first head over to the app on your phone. Then once you're in the app, tap on the My Netflix button in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then under your profile picture, tap on the drop down arrow. And then next tap on Manage Profiles. So here you need to choose which profile you want to set up parental controls for. So I'm just going to tap on one of them. And you'll see the option where it says maturity rating. So currently this profile has no restrictions. But if I tap on that one, so it says show titles of all maturity ratings for this profile. Visit account settings on the web to edit viewing restrictions. So I'm just going to tap on account settings. Next it's asking me for my password. Then tap on continue. So here is where you can change the profile maturity rating for this profile. So currently it's set to show titles of all maturity ratings for this profile, but I can change that to G if I only want to show titles rated G, or PG, M, MA15+, whatever the settings are in your region. Alternatively, if I scroll down, and if I only want to display the Netflix Kids experience with titles that are just for kids, all I need to do is just tap on that box, or uncheck it if I don't mind. Or if I don't want to show specific titles for this profile, regardless of their maturity rating, all I need to do is enter the show or movie name into this box, go ahead and click save, and then this profile has now been updated. And that's all it takes to set up Netflix parental controls. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.